Open pollinated variety. Open pollinated varieties are local varieties, desi varieties or old varieties. This open pollinated variety is generally produced in crop like cross pollinated crop like maize or even often cross pollinated crop. These open pollinated varieties are those varieties where open pollination takes place. Generally, we heard the name of two type of pollination, that is the self pollination or cross pollination. So this, in case of self pollination, the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma within the same flower. In case of hermaphrodite flower means male reproductive organ as well as female reproductive organs are present within the same flower, is called hermaphrodite flower. Or in case of hermaphrodite flower, self pollination or autogamy takes place. But in case of cross pollinated crop, the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma between the different flower of the different plants is called cross pollination or allogamy. But this open pollination means in cross pollinated crop, pollination takes place by means of the natural things like insect, birds, wind. So in case of cross pollinated crop, we produce the open pollinated variety. So we improve the open pollinated variety in case of cross pollinated crop by means of population improvement approaches. So some important population improvement approaches like the recurrent selection, biparental matting, di-allele selective matting and disruptive selection methods are used to improvement of the population of the open pollinated variety. So how to differentiate this open pollinated variety from the hybrid? We produce the hybrid after the hybridization between two different genotype of the plants, two different genetical constitutions of the plant. After the hybridization between two different genotypes of the plant, we produce the hybrid. But in case of open pollinated variety, the open pollinated variety is produced from genetically identical plants. All the population, the genetically identical plants means same types of variety. The pollination takes place within the same type of variety, and after the pollination we produce the open pollinated variety. But in case of hybrid, the hybridization is happening between the different types of the variety, different genotypes of the variety, then produce the hybrid. So this is the very big difference between hybrid and open pollinated variety. And this open pollinated variety is not much expensive like the hybrid variety. So farmer can easily buy this type of variety in cross pollinated crop like maize. So this is called the open pollinated variety. But remember that this open pollinated variety cannot be confused with the hybrid or other variety like pure line varieties or other self-pollinated variety. The simple means that in case of open pollinated variety, the natural pollination means open pollination takes place. Open pollination means the pollination takes place by means of the insect, by means of the birds, by means of the water. It's called open pollination, means natural pollination. And this open pollination, we produce the open pollinated variety. Thank you.